Today, I'm going to give you my thoughts on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra's photography kit and just my general thoughts of it and what are the goods and bads that I found. First is the quality. I like the material used on the grip and the case. When I'm holding the grip, it does have that nice friction against my skin, so it doesn't feel like it's slipping out of my hands. It's super easy to use, it's plug and play, and once you plug it in, it starts to charge. At this point, I realized that the phone was still charging even though it was at 100%. And I knew there was a setting where you can turn off or auto disconnect the charge when the phone is at 80%, or it keeps it at 80%. So I think I may have found a bug, and hopefully I can update or fix this in the future. So I was playing around with the custom dials and everything, and I realized that most of these settings are meant for the pro mode or in the pro mode. So if you are not a pro shooter, then a lot of these like customizable dials or buttons that you want to assign to doesn't really work. And I wish that in the app they did a better job like showcasing or telling you which one works in the basic auto mode and which one works in just the pro mode. Because when I was shooting in the basic auto mode, most of these settings don't work until I actually got into the pro mode, and then everything else works. Because I thought that for some reason all these stuff is not working. Something must be wrong with my unit or something. But yeah, I wish that they tell me that it works only on pro mode. As I'm taking a lot of pictures with this phone, I realized that I can't find the leveler option, which would be super helpful with this phone, but I'm not sure if this phone has that. But besides those little quirks that I found, I think that the grip is really nice to have. It's not a must-have, but if you are really serious about taking photos, or especially if you like to use pro mode on this phone, then you would take the most advantage of it and it will be worth your money. Vlogging like this with the grip is easier to hold and faster to record and stop recording because my finger right now is literally on the video button. So it's nice to have a little more space on the grip as I'm vlogging. But it's not like any other regular camera where there's a flip out screen to see myself. That's still the only problem about vlogging with these phones. I do like the record button, which is a very easy option to get recording right away, and if I'm holding down the shutter button, it will automatically bring up the camera for me. So just using this grip makes it feel more natural, and it kind of gives me that mentality that I'm using an actual camera. Therefore, I'm actually slowing down and taking time to frame my shots. So the grip doesn't make you take better photos, it just puts you in the mind to take better photos. And like having a regular camera, the physical buttons do help make you work faster, take pictures faster, and change some settings faster. So at the end of the day, I feel like you don't really need this photography kit unless you love taking pictures, or if you just want to slim down, you don't want to bring your dedicated camera with you. This phone can be good enough, and the whole camera system and quality looks very good. I would say up until 30x. Anything beyond that kind of looks a little bit digitized. So if you want an easy and lightweight day, then this can be another option. And those are my thoughts about the grip. It's not necessary, you don't need it, the pictures will still come out fine. It's just that this grip will give you the better camera experience. So let me know your thoughts down below, and would you get this photography kit? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.